back to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you how I apply this and how this is so easy to take your makeup off. Now I know some people like this stuff, and I know a lot of people still don't know about it, so I'm going to show you that today. So first of all, I'm going to take off my jumper. I'll put my hair back for this, just because I like to get my hair out of my face while I do this. So this is my makeup. Been on for roughly since 9 o'clock, so it's like 6 o'clock now, I believe. What time is it? It's 6:44, so I've had this on for roughly about 9 hours. I have had a mask on, so there are some bits where I have had a mask on, especially my chin. There's some stuff that has come off away from my chin. My lips don't stay all day, and this is what my skin looks like. My makeup looks like with my skin with a mask on. The first thing I do is just peel off my lashes. I don't bother putting them in water anymore because it damages them, so my lashes are now peeled off. This is what I look like with no lashes on. I just do with the lashes, fake lashes, because they make my eyelashes just, and fake lashes all the way. So now what I'm going to do is going to bring the face on, and this is what my skin is looking like. As you can see, it's just very nice and everything. So with this bottle, you just shake, and you just have it all like that. Now I get a cotton pad. You can get a reusable cotton pad or a cotton pad that's not reusable and just use that. I just use these because these are my Primark and they're only about 90p for a pack, I believe. I'm just going to squirt some on, like so. And I always do my face. I always do my face and then my eyes. So I just rub my, let me just get a mirror, otherwise I can't see anything. So what I do is just get my makeup off. So I'm just going to take my makeup off, just going to go circular motions around. Make sure it's all off on one side, and that's how much makeup I've done. But I can still use this side because of all the space that I do have on it. I'm just going to do the other. I always like to put my hair out of my face because some makeup do go onto your hairline as well. And then keep going. So I can keep going with this because it's still not gone. I'm just going to do the sides. I'm going to take some of this hair up as well and just do some of the sides here. And just go here. And just go around, and then go around the other side as well. And you can see some bits are hard to get off because they're cotton board. And then I just turn it over. And just do the rest of my face. I do go under as well because I do put bronzer down my neck as well. This is a liquid lipstick, a Jeffree Star liquid lipstick. So that's one cotton pad, so I've just used one so far. And you can see it's separated back up to the top, so just shake it again. Just don't forget to keep shaking it because once you do this, it's just going to be a little easier. If you feel like you don't need to shake it, just keep shaking it because if you just get all the oil out, it won't mix with the micellar water as well. Because that's what it is, micellar infused with oil. And then what I do is I do very careful around underneath my eyes. And then that's it, so that's 2. So I'll go with 4 just because I like to do one eye to the other. So I get a cotton pad again, put it all over, and make sure I tap it in. I make sure I go like this, make sure it's the equal formula. I hold it on my eye. So just hold it on your eye. You don't need to press it on there, just hold it. And then once you think it's hold on there enough, go over here and just go like that, just go around. I'm not being rough, I'm being gentle. Then I flip it. And then do my eyelashes as well. Just make sure everything's done. So that's one eye. So I don't do this again. And you can see it's gone again, so I shake it again. Just keep shaking it. And the only reason I do it with different cotton pads for each eye is just because I like to do it that way. And then with that, you see that, I just like squish it and make it bigger. So there we go, so it's once a little bit big. Hold it on there for a couple of seconds again. Do how many of you long. I just like to hold it on there just to make sure it's good enough to go. Once it's gone, I tend to go up, around, because you're getting your eyebrow in this part as well. Just get your eyebrow as well. That's how much it does get off, and then I go. Now what I do is I take one more, just cotton pad, just one more, and I get off the excess stuff. I don't take that much though, I just take a little bit and just get rid of all the excess so I know everything's off. You might not get everything, but this is where washing your face comes in handy as well. Because I'm going to do my neck, there's tan on my neck as well. Maybe a lot of stuff, but I'm telling you something, this stuff does work a miracle. It's how I get my skin off really clean, like very clean, you know. I still do go in with face wash as well. Don't think like I don't, because I do. I just do this for both time, and that's it. There's hardly anything come off, and that's what I've started with. So that's how you use this. As you can see, I just bring it closer. This is on my face. It may not look like it. I have nothing on there, like no foundation or nothing on there. It's not. That's not why I did this. I did this to show you how it is easy to get simple off. If you want to use one cotton pad, you can use one cotton pad. Sometimes I've just used one all over my face and on my eyes, and that's what I've done. But if you really want to get stuff off and make sure when you do wash your face, you're left with clean skin, it's just what I do. So I do hope you enjoy this little how to use the micellar water and how the micellar oil infused cleansing water. This is one for dry and sensitive skin. I do like this one because it leaves your face a little moisturised at the end, because it's for dry and sensitive skin, and it hasn't irritated my skin. Just because this one's so sensitive, I do recommend you get the sensitive one, especially if you're in the winter. Use this in the winter, because in the winter some people's skin, and I know my skin definitely goes drier in the winter. I do hope you enjoyed this video. Please give the video a big thumbs up. You can also go to my channel, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.